have this plan. It's nearly 7 a.m. and I'm going to do an experiment on my kids today. So today, I will not remind them that it's time to pack away or anything like that at all during the day until our normal, it's 4 o'clock and we're going to pack away the house. So I will not tell them about this. And I'll show you before they pack away how messy it is. And I will show you them packing away.
Stop. I will have the pink plate. What would you like with the pink plate? I will like some, is that pink fruit?
So this morning I said I wasn't going to get the kids to pack up or tidy anything during the day, and then they would just pack away at 4. So here's what it looks like. I'm back again. So it's like 6 o'clock. We have packed away. We have had dinner. We have done all the things we need to do. I think. Yeah, pretty sure. And by 7 o'clock each night, that's like our end goal. 7 o'clock each night, we can stop for the day and we can relax and enjoy our respective hobbies or each other's company or watching a movie or whatever. So end goal is that at the end of the day, the whole house is packed away. So how do we do that? We teach the children from a very young age that they are responsible for their own things, and we lead by example. We have a set time, which is 4 o'clock every day, that we commence the whole packing away thing. Now, I will say, I will admit to this, little kids are really messy. Little kids make messes very quickly and very bigly, and my bigger kids don't really make huge messes anymore. So that is why I kind of have a midday, middle of the day point where it's like, okay, can we pack away everything that's on the coffee table? Or can we pack away everything in the playroom? Or if it's something they've really obviously kind of just ditched, I'll be like, can we quickly pack that away before you go outside? So this is what results in us having a fairly organized house. Now, today was basically just our usual pack away and the vacuuming that we need to do because we have a small house and 12 people. So it wasn't like any kind of big deep cleaning day or anything like that. But interestingly enough, of course, doing the video, it made me go, there's definitely some areas that we could totally deep clean. So Operation Deep Clean will commence. Not right now because it's actually 6:34, so I'm getting on the down low, relaxo vibe of the day, and then I hope wherever you are that you will find some rest as well. So we work hard so we can relax hard. That's kind of the plan. So thanks for joining me as I did this little experiment with the kids. I think they did really well, but yeah, until next time, relax, enjoy life. You've only got one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.